Hey, I'm Camie Risinger, and I'm the owner of Luxe.wise Interior Design. And with Thanksgiving coming up, I'm so excited to host my family, but on the flip side, I feel a low-level anxiety about having to get it all together. So today, I partnered with Peoria Rentals to show you guys how easy it can be to rent a tablescape and set it up so that you're ready to host for all of your Thanksgiving festivities. So they actually have two packages that you can pick from, but today I'm going to be showing you the tabletop package, which includes plates, flatware, glasses, runners, and napkins. So the table runner that I picked today was the one that really jumped out at me. I loved the warmth of the bronze color, I loved the texture of the leaf appliques, and a close runner up was actually the circle runner that's very similar, but just the density of the leaves and how it hinted at fall with the warmth really drew me in, and I knew that I was going to base everything off of this runner. So when I moved from picking out the flatware and the dishes, I wanted to keep those simple so that they just assimilated and gave kind of like a really nice foundation for whatever I would do on top of that runner, and just kind of let the runner be the star of the show. With keeping things simple, I knew that I didn't want a very ornate charger because I didn't want to detract from the runner. So we opted with the clear glass beaded charger, and it just gives just a hint of visual interest with the beading. So instead of going with just a straightforward cotton white napkin, I actually opted for the ivory kind of off-white Dupioni napkin because it offers just the slightest sheen, and it has that refinement that really complements the gold rim china so well, as well as the mixed metal, gold, and stainless flatware. So with the knife blade on the flatware being stainless and then the rest of the flatware being that gold tone color, I think a lot of people might shy away from that. But really, mixed metals is not something that's too confusing to use. And when you look at all of the warmth and the glimmer and shine and sheen with the rest of the tablescape, the gold flatware just made sense. It really amped up the glam factor without being overly ornate. It's very simple, clean, and straightforward like the rest of the design. Of course, with the drinking glass, there are multiple options, things that are very ornate and also things that are very simple. And again, keeping with the simple, straightforward theme, I went with just a nice, tall, slender water glass so that there's still simplicity to it, but also high visual impact because of its height. So those are all of my absolute favorite options that Peoria Rentals has for the tabletop package. And then the best part is being able to go through your own home with your own belongings and really amp up the visual interest by putting things that you love as the centerpieces for your tablescape. So I have these beautiful cloches paired with, again, mixed metal candlesticks that keep the warmth and visual interest but also complement what's already existing from what I rented. So for those of you who are feeling a little bit extra creative and really want to zhuzh it up a little bit more for your formal affair, we have extra upgrade options available that give it just a little bit more pizzazz and class and really give you that formal flair that you're going for. To see all the other options available for your package, you can visit them online and peruse their online catalog to see exactly what they have to offer you, and then just call or email to set up an appointment to reserve your items today.